Ganga. Yeah. Immediately.
So
Hot.
so these are my two friends from Italy, and they came here for learning authentic Hatha Yoga with our team, with my school. So Azura and Luciana, and they now eating dinner in Cafe Omkar. So today we're talking about that today is getting hot in Rishikesh, and Rajat really make hard practice with
Very
Luciana.
hard work.
Very hard
So-
work, but good work.
But good work.
Good
So
work.
Luciana little tired today by the practice, but they like little hard. Ajuba
We
ji.
are here for that.
You're here for that.
And my team manager come for the photo video, I think.
Yeah, we saw him.
So he called
But
me.
we ignore him.
Yeah.
Yes, he called me then that they don't want picture photo. I say, I will discuss. They said they feel sweating. I said, then come again, morning time, anytime.
Yeah, it's better.
in the
Better morning.
In the
Morning you have
because we
fresh
were really
energy.
sweating.
Yes,
It was
because so
very
I
good.
says no problem because they're doing hard work all day. So you should come after Holi when they have the
Yes.
holy energy and color energy also.
We will
energy,
see. We will see. We will see what will happen.
Yeah, we'll see. Yes.
First time only.
First time Holi.
Yeah, first time Holi in Rishikesh with the local people. Yeah.
Looking forward.
I don't know
to
what
Holi.
to expect.
Yeah.
Actually, people just using some colors, and some people drink a lot, and some people drink marijuana, and some people just nice, delicious food, like sweet. Like if you go North India, Agra side, other part, we have a very sweet, delicious food before.
Okay.
But now it's changed. Now everybody busy on drinking. That's not good.
No, we are going for the delicious sweet food.
Yes.
And for
No
the colors.
drinking.
Yes.
And for the colors.
I drink my soup.
Yeah.
Okay, you drink your
drinking our
soup. So people throw a lot of colors and they're dancing a lot of on Bollywood song about. And the holy aspect is coming from 1,000 years before one devotee of Lord Vishnu, Bhakt Prahlad.
Okay.
So it's a story coming from there. Maybe 10,000 years before, 20,000. It's a long period story. It's a spiritual stories because Bhakt, he was big devotee for the Lord Vishnu. And Bhakt Prahlad, father, Hiranyakashyap, he don't like Vishnu.
Okay.
So he want to kill the Prahlad many times.
Okay.
So Holy was at that time, I think Hiranyakashyap, some relative. So he ordered the police kill this crazy guy. That time he Dhruv, only 7-8 years old,
Okay.
and burning the fire with the Dhruv. But Dhruv was not fire and burn. The demon coming holy, the female power, she die and fire all body.
Oh.
So holy start from there.
Okay.
So it's a spiritual thing, is a devotee thing, devotion thing about the Bhakt Prahlad of Vishnu. So Holi Diwali in India, very good festival, all connected by the Vishnu and religious thing
So
aspect.
you are also making ceremonies in the temples or not?
Be evening, we make a ceremony when the holy fire ceremony
Fire ceremony.
near the Ganga.
Okay.
And in the Lakshmila, every area they have the point where they make the burning
Okay.
ceremony. So there they call any feast and they do some worship for the Holika, and then less fire and singing and dance and
Oh, that's nice.
craziness started for the 14.
Okay.
Yeah, so now problem that people too much drinking, that's little problem. Little. Some then they make the craziness. Otherwise, Holi is a great festival in India. Got the love, hug and colors, nice food. And everybody village, every house for dishes. So it's very good festival.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. We'll see. Very happy to be
Yeah,
here.
I'm,
in this
I'm very, very
video.
happy to be here for Holi.
Yes.
Thanks, Cynthia.
Thanks, I tell you also.
Thanks,
But
Linda.
you many time in India.
In Italy, we don't have a festival like
Oh,
that.
yes. But Louisiana, you have many time in India. So this is the first time.
Oh yeah, this is the first time that I've been here for Holi, so I'm so excited.
Namo Narayan, come.
नमो नारायण नमो नारायण
Wow.
So now they have the nice food. Today what you get? ग्रीस नमो नारायण नमो नारायण.
कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया सर बढ़िया. आओ विराज.
धन्यवाद.
आज बलवंत कहाँ है?
So good.
Good taste?
Yeah.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious. Yeah.
Okay. So, in Hatha Yoga, every asana,
Yes.
they directly affect spine and stomach naturally, every pose, every movement. No need to think that you have to work on stomach or spine. Hatha Yoga directly affect spine and stomach naturally. So forget it.
Okay.
It's naturally, yes. Hatha Yoga means
Just continue to do.
just continue to practice. Yes, yes. Yes.
No extra exercise.
No.
Okay.
Hatha Yoga naturally affect, benefit stomach and spine and every glands and every organs and every chakra. If you think chakra, then is work. If you don't think chakra, then it affect. It will benefit 100%. Is Hatha Yoga.
Okay, good to know.
Yes, I never think my stomach or my spine. I keep practice because 100% effect going there.
Okay.
Yes.
No, thank you to say.
Thank you
Oh,
for saying
yeah.
that because one doesn't know.
No.
You know, sometimes we only think about it about the thing we miss,
Oh yeah.
and
Yes.
we forget what we have.
Yes. It's good to know. You can think it, but if you don't think, like suppose you follow four principle, stable, effortless, infinite. No, stable, effortless, pleasure, and infinite. Then you no need to. You don't have time to think about the physical condition because you go for the deeper beyond the body.
Spiritual one.
Yes. No, forget the spiritual beyond the body
Beyond the body.
with the soul that you are, who am I?
Okay.
Yes. So once we go beyond the body, then this four principle bring you there. So it's a deep subject.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
we today with Yogendra
Misraji, Misraji.
we explore Samadhi.
Oh, you get samadhi today?
No,
It's
we just explore it.
explored it.
Explore it, and it's
Difficult
it's
concept,
difficult, a
Samadhi.
difficult concept to.
Uh,
I mean, because actually it's something that you cannot understand with your mind. I mean, and so it's difficult to explain for him.
uh-huh.
But
Actually,
was
Hatha
very
Yoga
nice.
at last bring you samadhi naturally.
Okay.
Yes, naturally. If you keep practice asana, pranayam, meditation, philosophy, it will bring you samadhi. Yes, but if you keep practice them, it takes time. But it's good to know what is samadhi, how we will get the samadhi. So by the
He tried to explain his best.
yes.
I mean, I think it's difficult to explain something that
No,
you experience.
first must know about everything. What is samadhi, meditation, liberation, nirvana. When you know it, and then you start target on it, then you will success. Yes, so it's called Jnana Yoga. To know everything, then go Bhakti Yoga.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
Bhakti
you
Yoga is
explained that yesterday.
yes, the Bhakti Yoga is the best, but with the Jnana Yoga.
Jnana Yoga.
Jnana is the best. The knowledge.
The knowledge.
Yes, the knowledge. Yes. Knowledge for everything. So knowledge, once you have knowledge, then Bhakti Yoga, then Hatha Yoga is the best. And Bhakti and Jnana, they work together. Jnana Yoga coming when the Bhakti already in your heart chakra.
Okay.
If no Bhakti, no Jnana. So Jnana and Bhakti work together.
You need to come to philosophy class also to complete.
gap.
No,
Yes.
I teach before a lot this, but I remember two girls really insult me from Canada. So my good friend Maya. Yeah, yes.